Hey, are you looking to buy your first dirt bike or one that just requires the least amount of maintenance? I want to show you 3 examples of dirt bikes that will require the least amount of work and last the longest. The first one is the Honda XR200. Yeah, it may not be sold anymore, but the XR200 is one of my favorite bikes because I've had one for years. I've ridden it out in Colorado, the mountains, and I do very little maintenance to it. Basically checking and changing the oil, changing the air filter when it's dirty. You can go for 10 or 20 hours depending on how hard you ride it and what kind of dirt you ride in. So if you're riding a lot of sand, you're going to be changing air filter a lot more often. And then the second bike is the Yamaha TR230. Similar bike. It's electric start, but it's another 230cc air-cooled 4-stroke bike. These air-cooled bikes are just rock solid, and the Yamaha is no different. It's got pretty good power, at least for a beginner. And again, the maintenance, very little compared to like a motocross bike. Check your oil, change it when it's dirty, check your air filter, change it or clean it when it's dirty, keep gas in it, keep the chain adjusted properly, and fix or replace anything that's broken, and it'll last a long time. And bike number 3 is another one of my favorites for beginners, is the KLX140. I like the L because the wheels are a little bit bigger on that than the standard version. I have one for my wife and it's super reliable. Again, very little maintenance other than changing the oil, changing the air filter, and adjusting the chain. So put gas in it, you can ride it for hours, and yeah, they're a little bit harder to find for some reason. I don't know, there's probably just not too many of the Kawasaki's out there, but it's a super great bike. I recommend it for ladies or teenagers, or if you just like a shorter bike so you can touch the ground easily. It's got electric start. Obviously you got to keep the battery maintained. If the battery goes dead, then well, you don't have kickstart, you got to bump start it. So if you want to learn how to do proper maintenance more in depth, I have a complete guide on motocrosshideout.com. It's in the description below. I'd like to hear what you want to see next in my next video. So comment below, let me know. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.